This will be a test of the Edwards 876 G5 N5, I don't remember. It's 24 volts AC. But this is a test of the volume screw. See what I can make it sound like. So I have it set on supervisory, so none of the other horns go off. So here we go. This is with it completely tightened. Sorry about that, I had to put on my ear protection because this thing gets loud. That thing's loud, loud, loud. Damn, that thing's loud. Even with the hearing protection, it's very loud. But thanks for watching. I finally managed to get one trouble, only one on the panel. That's depleted battery. So thanks for watching.